Introducing a rope rescue system that is everything you need it to be. Fast, easy, safe, and precise. The Amkus Rope Rescue System is a proven tool that responders worldwide can confidently place the trust of not only the lives of those they are called to rescue, but also their own.
I think what it really has going for it is the power and the speed of setup.
The unit's very fast. You can actually deploy it in under 2 minutes and be ready for action.
In rope rescues that I've seen and that I've been a part of, usually they'll dispatch an initial unit and they make an assessment, and that initial unit has to call in the rope rescue team. Whereas if you have the ARS system on your rig, 3 people could make the rescue.
The rope rescue system is deployed using a 10,000-pound trailer hitch as an anchor point.
You add a hitch extension to it. The rope rescue slides onto the hitch extension. You pin the system down and you're virtually ready to work right then.
The system is operated off of 110 AC electric, activated by a foot switch.
This device is both your descending device and your ascending device. There's no need to switch back and forth from descending systems to ascending systems.
You can change from lifting to lowering instantaneously.
The ARS is all in one. In a situation where speed is key, it could be a lifesaver.
Amkus understands that no rope rescue is easy, but by dramatically reducing the complexity of the lifting and lowering system, setup now becomes easy, which allows for critical time and resources to be utilized for what you are there for, the rescue.
The rope rescue system was originally developed by Brian Schaefer, former chief out in the western part of the United States. He always felt that if you have use for rope, you have the use for this unit.
If you have any knowledge of rope rescue, you have pulleys, you have slings, you have rescue rope, there's no end to the things you can think of doing with this. It provides the power, you just have to provide the setup.
Just the fact that you can lift hundreds of pounds with a couple of fingers. If you are requiring only maybe 20 pounds of effort to lift 1,000 pounds, then you have an advantage that's over 50 to 1. Compare that to a Z-rig, a complicated Z-rig, and you can start to understand the reduction in effort that's required on the part of the person on the tailing end of the rope.
And you're using 3 to 4 people just to pull on the rope. You're using more people to reset the pulley system. If you move those people 30 feet, you only raise the victim 10 feet.
Where with this system, the pull is a direct 1-to-1 ratio. If you pull a foot, you're lifting your load a foot as well.
Amkus also understands that if a rescuer does not feel safe with a tool, that tool will be underutilized.
I think the system is very safe. They've given a lot of thought to fall arrest in case there is a problem with the capstan. They've actually arranged an aluminum anchor plate that you can fasten prusik slings onto.
When I'm on the ARS, I feel very safe. My focus has nothing to do with the system itself. It's all about my surroundings.
The first time we pulled the ARS out of the box, the first thing that caught me was the machine billet aluminum. Because the anchor plate and the swivel plate on there, that thing means business. Immediately that said, somebody put some thought and some care into machining that thing.
With the system, the personnel that you have are able to do the task at hand, which is dealing with the patient. You can get them eyes on the patient, so as the movement happens, you have more eyes, less people pulling on rope. It's very solid, it's very safe, it's very proven.
Those involved with today's rope rescues know they need a lifting and lowering system that is precise.
The really unique thing about this device is its patented feature, and that is the system that allows the rope to wind properly around the drum of the capstan, no matter the direction of the load.
So the first time I used it, I was a little hesitant as to how much control I would have when it came to lowering them. I had 4 wraps around the windlass drum, And I actually had to remove 2 of those 4 wraps to be able to lower them smoothly.
But once they feel that you can adjust the feel at the end of the rope to suit your need, that's where the precision of the system really comes into play.
Precise control is the utmost of importance. And with the arse, you can actually start on a dime, stop on a dime. It's all very smooth.
Fast, easy, safe, and precise. When lives depend on you, you can depend on Amkus.